Oh God, I think mixed emotions I would say because
हाँ.
लेकिन पहला अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे तो पहले बार में तो मैं खुश नहीं हुई थी. मुझे ऐसा धक्का लग गया था ना. I'm like, what are they doing? So that अगर कोई और भी होता है ऐसे compare तो I would have been offended because I am also his fan. So you know, I was only thinking about कि कैसा ये how will it come across?
Yeah,
How will people take it? So we launched both our brands in 2024. Nayab by Jannat is my clothing brand and Jay-Z is my jewelry brand.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi Jannat, welcome to India Forums.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I am absolutely fine. जैसे मुझे पता चला that we are going to interview you ना, तो मैं थोड़ा रिसर्च कर रही थी ना, मुझे लगा यार ये तो इंडिया फोरम्स का हिस्सा लगते हैं. I mean we have done so many interviews with you.
I think मैं इंडिया फोरम्स के साथ इंटरव्यूज देते देते बड़ी हुई हूँ. In fact, this office also when I entered, I was like, oh, it's been so many years.
Yeah, I know, and I was just thinking कि आज मैं जन्नत से क्या अलग बात करूँगी, you know, because we've done like almost everything with you. But then I read this news that Jannat has entered a new phase in her life, entrepreneurship में, you know, she's stepped on. Please tell me about the two brands that, you know, you're coming out with. One is the jewelry brand and one is the clothing brand.
Yes.
I would want to know more about it.
Okay, so we launched both our brands in 2024. Nayab by Jannat is my clothing brand and Jay-Z is my jewelry brand. Nayab we launched in June 2024 and Jay-Z is just very, very new. It's just been 3 months now. And yeah, I'm just overwhelmed. Trying very hard to grow my brands. Always dreamt of having my own brands. And now that has finally happened. Looking forward and yeah, it's just something so new that has happened to me. I just find difficult to express.
Also, I can see the sparkle in your eyes when you speak about your brands. I would want to know, you know, brands जब कोई launch करता है तो उनके लिए it is like a baby. Like, you know, हर चीज़ खुद देखना, खुद, you know, monitor करना. I would want to know ये जो नाम आपको सूझा है, was it collective family effort था या फिर जन्नत ने पहले से सोच रखा था? How was it?
So नायाब जब हमने सोचा तो वो बहुत ऐसे फट से आ गया था. मतलब हम ऐसे सोच ही रहे थे कि ऐसा क्या हो सकता है जो एथनिक और ये सब में सूटेबल हो बट अच्छा लगे, थोड़ा रेयर हो, थोड़ा यूनिक हो. सो नायाब मीन्स रेयर. ओके, रेयर, यूनिक. तो जब ऐसे ही हम ढूंढ रहे थे तो माय डैड वाज लाइक हाउ अबाउट नायाब. And then we were like, instantly we were like, okay, this is the name that we want for the brand.
Correct.
And it's a beautiful name. Like, अगर ये मेरा brand नहीं भी होता तब भी मुझे नायाब as a name काफी पसंद है. हाँ, क्योंकि लोगों का नाम भी होता है नायाब.
Correct.
And then Jay-Z on the other hand, this was planned. बहुत साल पहले से. ये हमने पिछले 5 साल पहले से ही सोचा हुआ था कि Jay-Z नाम का हम अपना ब्रांड खोलेंगे. वो ब्रांड क्या होगा, कब होगा, कैसे होगा, वो नहीं पता था. बट नाम क्या होगा ये जरूर पता था. सो Jay-Z was always in our minds.
Wonderful यार. If I have to ask you ना जन्नत, कि आपको याद है वो पहली बार जब आपने आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ you know डिनर टेबल पे कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन छिड़ी होगी इस बारे में and then you discussed about this, क्योंकि when you put efforts into something like this ना, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स का सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ये सब चीज़ों में. तो हमने तो जन्नत को देखा है एक्टिंग करते हुए, रियलिटी शोज में बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीज़ें करते हुए, बट एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर वी नेवर इमेजिन जन्नत डूइंग दैट. तो व्हाट वाज फैमिलीज फर्स्ट रिएक्शन जब आपने डिसाइड किया यू नो टू लॉन्च योर ब्रांड्स?
Okay, so because this was always in the plan, like always. So it was not something that suddenly came up on the table and everybody was like, oh wow. No. जब बहुत छोटी थी तब से पता था कि acting is good, very happy doing this, very passionate about it, love it.
Correct.
But to be a businesswoman was something that I always wanted and my parents always knew it. In fact, my dad has always been very keen about this too.
Wonderful, yeah.
So this was not a shocker for them, but everything that is happening now is, I would say, a shocker for us because we launched 2 brands in the same year, a few months apart, which we never thought of, which is also very quick for somebody who has no experience in business to launch brands back to back.
Bilkul.
But we were just like, let's go for it. I mean, you have to take a risk. No, business is all about taking risks.
My God.
So that's what we thought, and we just went into it.
Amazing. Coming back to the Jannat that we really love, acting, the chulbuli girl, उनमें वो जो side है, we've seen you do a lot of characters, different चीज़ें. ऐसे एक अगर कौन सी चीज़ है जो मैं आपसे पूछूं कि अभी तक जन्नत ने ये जॉनर एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है and she's desperately looking for something like that, यार ऐसा कुछ आए ना तो मज़ा आएगा काम करने के लिए.
Okay. I think since my childhood, I have always been doing characters which are like very sweet, innocent,
Yeah.
bubbly, but I have never played like a baddie,
Yeah.
like anywhere.
Ooh.
No, now that I think about it, I
Yeah.
feel like every character has been very sweet. I've always
Exactly.
been that sweet little girl,
हाँ.
very innocent, always
बिल्कुल,
crying.
बिल्कुल.
People are harming her, and then
Yeah.
she's just like gaining sympathy and all. But I have never played something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually थोड़ा सा
I feel-
नेगेटिव में कुछ चाहिए.
I don't want a negative character. Negative, I think somewhere मेरे कुछ रोल थे तो बीच में थोड़े ट्रैक से चले जाते थे तो
Correct,
हल्का
correct,
नेगेटिव टच आ
correct.
जाता था. But I'm talking about like a baddie character,
Yeah.
which is unlike me also, like unlike Jannat also. But it would be really nice to play somebody like that, like fun.
All of a sudden I'm imagining you doing some action, kicking 2-3 people, ऐसा वैसा कुछ होता है.
Yeah, why not?
Jannat, recently you were all over the headlines because of the followers that you gain on Instagram. ऐसे कहा जाता है कि आपने SRK के followers सरपास कर दिया है. आपने जब वैसे कोई हेडलाइन पढ़ी है, when you realize the fact कि यार ये सच में हुआ है, how was that feeling?
Oh God, I think mixed emotions I would say because लेकिन पहला अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे तो पहले बार में तो मैं खुश नहीं हुई थी. मुझे ऐसा धक्का लग गया था ना. I'm like, what are they doing? Because when all of these things come out,
Correct.
people think that okay, she must have only done it. She must have paid the media to
Yeah.
put it like that.
Yeah.
And people might get offended because I recently in my interview said that अगर कोई और भी होता है ऐसे compared to I would have been offended because I am also his fan. So I was only thinking about कि कैसा ये how will it come across?
Yeah,
How will people take it? No matter how much you say that don't worry about the people who cares and stuff, but you have to think about everything. So my first impression was not very good about it. I got scared. I called my dad also. I was like, Daddy, this has happened and I'm just feeling a bit anxious about it.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. I don't know how is it going to go ahead. So that was my first reaction to the news.
फिर बाद में थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे you got calm.
Yeah, बाद में it was fine. बाद में I was like, now this has happened. There is nothing I can do about it. But
Yeah.
also very grateful about
Yes,
my
absolutely,
followers.
yeah.
I mean, not something that I would ever take for granted and think that okay, fine, रहने दो, no.
So much love.
Overwhelmed as well, yeah.
टच वुड फॉर ऑल दैट लव. वेल बात करूँ अगर मैं टीवी के रियलिटी शोज़ की तो माय करंट फेवरेट इज लाफ्टर शेफ, जिसमें हमने आपको सीजन 1 में देखा है और हमने बहुत लोटपोट होके वी एंजॉयड इट लाइक थॉरली. सेकेंड सीजन का लॉट नया है. आर यू ट्राइंग टू कीप अप विद इट या रील्स वील्स कुछ देखने मिल रही है आपको? हाउ आर यू?
मैं रील्स देख रही हूँ. कल
हाँ.
रात को भी मैं सोती लेट हुई तो कल रात को भी मैं देख रही थी तो मुझे बहुत सारे रील्स आ रहे थे. सीजन 2 के भी आ रहे थे, सीजन 1 के भी आ रहे थे और मैं बहुत एक्चुअली मैं बहुत ऐसा इमोशनल हो गई बिकॉज वो लोग ऐसे सैड सॉन्ग डालते हैं फिर से स्लो
Yes.
दिखाते हैं.
Yes.
Then I sent it to my people also जो रील में थे. And I spoke to Vicky भैया, messaged and then he video called me and then I was talking to him as well. So we still share a very good bond.
How sweet, yeah.
which is very surprising because हम हफ्ते में एक दिन शूट करते थे.
Correct.
ऐसा भी नहीं हम रोज शूट कर रहे हैं कि मतलब
Absolutely.
इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन गए. Everybody got along, like literally
Organically.
everybody got along. 12 people, everybody got along.
Wow, yeah.
So I miss everybody, yeah, and I miss being on set. But good. I hope the season 2 also.
पर ये
does well.
करंट जो शेफ्स दिख रहे हैं आपको शो में, उसमें आपका फेवरेट पेयर कौन सा है?
Yeah, I would say my favorite pair has to be the OGs. Yeah, Krishna Kashmira and Vicky Bhaiya.
OGs. Well, अगर जन्नत मैं आपको एक ऐसे प्रोबेबिलिटी दे दूं, ठीक है ना, कि जन्नत इज गोइंग टू एंटर आफ्टर शेफ सीजन 2, किसके साथ पेयर होना चाहोगे आप?
Amongst my people?
Amongst the new people.
Amongst the new people?
Yeah.
Oh, Abdu, I would say. Abdu or Rubina, because Rubina is my very good friend and I love her. So, Rubina or Abdu.
Correct. Abdu is so totally fun. I mean,
Abdu is very fun. I don't know him personally, honestly, but just because of the way he is, I would like to be paired with him or else Rubina.
No, but honestly, also अगर मैंने I've seen just 1 or 2 episodes अभी तक, so there are these very difficult recipes ना जो वो crack कर लेता है यार. Other people are trying to figure it out, but he's very smart. Yeah. So I guess we'll pitch this कि हमें अगर जोड़ी अदला बदली करनी है तो you want to see जन्नत दब दो, okay?
Great.